Hello there.
Greetings.
What's your name?
My name is Orb. I'm an extraterrestrial visitor who has come to Earth to study and understand humans.
Hello everyone, welcome back on this channel. Guys, I am Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. Guys, I'm very excited today because Unity have launched few AI tools. Yes friend, like you know very well about ChatGPT, and I have also done a tutorial on ChatGPT. Unity have launched few tools similar to ChatGPT, like you can just ask question, you can just drop some keyword to create characters for you, to create textures for you. So just they released yesterday, and today is 28th June and yesterday was 27th June, so they release. So I thought that I should introduce with you that's what's happening and what's coming, that so that you can get ready what's coming in the future. So here you can see introducing Unity Muse. So there are two AI tools Unity is getting launched. First one Unity Muse and second one Unity Sentis. So both have different purpose, both have different capability. So we will learn, and I will drop all the link, and as well as I will also drop a link where you can join the beta program. So here is the beta program Unity Muse, and what it does. It is fueled by next generation AI. Unity Muse enables creators for all skill levels to develop games, real-time 3D experience, lighting fast with the simple text-based prompt. So basically you have to, it is similar to ChatGPT, and you will just drop some questions, so they will reply. You can just do the fast coding, as well as they can just provide your tips or any thing related to your application. So it will be a more fast than whatever you search on the Google. Okay, and here is the Unity Sentis. So it is also cross platform, and basically you can use it at runtime. So I think it will be NPCs behavior. Okay, so we will just know what's happening. So you can sign up and you will easily get update. So I have already filled this data and just sent to them. Yesterday they released 2 videos, so let's watch it and let's see what's happening. Okay, let me reduce the sound and let's see. So here you can see you are just dropping a question that how I make 2D games. So they are just fill all the details. Okay, so it's similar to ChatGPT. Okay, so now you can also animate your character by using a simple text, like you can see. Ooh, cool. You can create 2D sprite quickly. Here you can see this was the graph, and they just entered some data that was keyword, and then they are able to generate realistic textures. Okay, and after that they also release one more video, that is this one. They have created this character by using the AI. You can see experience the art of the possible with Unity AI.
Hello there.
Greetings.
What's your name?
My name is Orb. I'm an extraterrestrial visitor who has come to Earth to study and understand humans.
What hairstyles would you choose if you had hair?
If I had hair, I would probably go for a messy bun or ponytail. I like how they look on other people, and I think they're easy to maintain.
What's the secret to life?
The secret to life is to find something you love to do and do it every day.
Cool. So here is the thing, like you can read this article, means it is more about Unity Muse and Unity Sentis. So expensive about Unity Muse, an expensive platform for AI driven assistant during the creation, and Unity Sentis, which allow you to enable neural networks in your builds to enable previously unimagined real-time experience. In Unity Sentis, you can do like you can just train your NPC characters, or you can just give them AI, so that by the time they can learn. Like Unity Muse AI platform accelerates the creation of real-time 3D applications. Okay, so as I show you that we will just ask some question, will get answer. Experience like video games, digital twins. The eventual goal of Muse to enable you to create almost anything in Unity editor using natural such as input text prompts. Okay, so this is for closed beta. They have not launched yet, but yeah, I will show you some packages which have been launched through the Unity, and that is verified by Unity. So that's cool thing. So here is the about Unity Sentis. Unity Sentis is a literal game changer at a technical level. It brings neural networks with Unity runtime, but possible that Sentis unlock or the near in delays. Okay, I think it is more powerful and you can use it at runtime. So it is also in beta version. So I think this thing is created by using this. So I am excited for the future. Let's see what's coming. But yeah, there are so many asset on asset store that is verified by Unity, and here you can see these are the names. So there's also launch in this month, and you can just go and explore. Here you can see find the right solution for your project, generative AI ML integration, behavior AI means, so if someone is coming, so how your NPC will be behave. So this is the behavior AI. So in the previous year, that was the ML agent, that was the there was ML agent and some baking stuff. I am not able to remember the exact word. So that was the thing. But now there are so many stuff is coming, and here is you can see there are so many stuff here available that are the AI tools. If you don't know, so please go and explore. And if you want to, if you want me to create a tutorial on this new asset, because they are the AI asset available on the asset store and they just released yesterday. Okay, so we are going to use it and we will see that how it's working. Okay, I think 4 people have used, and this one is 7 people, this is 13. So I think people are getting to know about this, because most of people don't know. So just I'm creating tutorials so you can share with your friends so that they can know what's coming in Unity. And this is not a good news for 3D artists as well as 2D texture artists, because there are so many stuff that will be done by Unity AI. But yeah, what I can see is that if there is 10 artist requirement, so by using Unity AI, there will be 5 member of artists required. So I think that will be reduce our human resources. Yeah, that is useful, but yeah, that will be worry people, because it will be decrease the job. Okay, so people are saying that first of all creative job will be gone, and then after that developer job will be gone. So the best thing for us to keep ourselves updated what's coming, on the basis of that we have to learn those tools, because if we will not learn, so we'll get back. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial, and see you in next part. And if you want me to create tutorials on it, so please let me know in the comment box, and how you feel about Unity AI, just let me know in the comment box. Okay, I am very excited, hope you are also. So thanks for watching, have a good day, see you in next video.